What's up, friends? Welcome back to GIO'S, and today we have another exciting video. Today we're going to be talking all about aloe vera and what it does for our hair. Now I know it does a lot of stuff for our skin, but that's for a later video. Today it's just all about what aloe vera promotes for our hair. Side note, sorry the way I look. I just got back from the gym and I look pretty rough right now. Probably looking at me like, why did you look like this? Sorry. Alright, so let's quickly go over what aloe vera does for our hair. 1, it helps with the itchiness of the scalp. 2, it helps with reducing dandruff. If you have a problem with dandruff, aloe vera is something you should use, or at least try to use and see if it works for you. 3, it helps with the shininess and the moisture, locking in that moisture in your hair. And 4, they do a lot of other things, but number 4 to me is always the most important. It promotes hair growth. We all want longer hair. So it doesn't promote hair growth right away. Obviously you have to use it in a duration of time. But today, this is actually my first time using aloe vera in my hair. So the only thing I'm going to be testing today is 1, is it going to make my hair shiny? And 2, is it going to leave me with a lot of moisture? As seasons are changing, as we get into fall and winter, as you all know, with skin, our skin usually dries. It's the same thing with hair. It tends to dry quicker, leave like the brittle texture in your hair. So we have to make sure as the seasons change that we're taking care of our hair, making sure it stays moisturized. And this is why I'm doing this video today, just to see exactly what the hype is about aloe vera that everyone is going crazy about. Alright, yeah, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and make the aloe vera gel and I'll be right back. Yeah. Alright friends, so we're going to start off with the aloe vera plant itself. If you look super close, you can see where I just took the sticker off from the grocery store. But I'm actually cut it in smaller sections just so it's easier to work with. Alright, so next just go ahead and cut the sides off because we have to get a clean cut down the middle because all we really want is the flesh that's inside. After you cut down the middle, just go ahead and extract the flesh, cut it up to smaller pieces just so it's easier to blend, and throw it in the blender. Alright, now that everything's in the blender, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons worth of extra virgin olive oil. Now note, I'm not adding water. 1, the 2 was just not mixed. 2, well, just do what I do because, yeah, it's kind of my video. Just blend it up till it's all liquefied. You're gonna see it's gonna foam up a lot. I actually wait until the foam just disappears and it settles back down to just a liquid. I'm gonna grab a container, a cheesecloth, and I'm actually gonna strain it because we don't want big chunks of this in our hair. Because trust me, I've seen a lot of videos of it. People getting stuck in their hair. It's a pain to get taken out. So yeah, get something to strain it. Some people use, like, what is it, stocking? I don't know what you guys call those. I use cheesecloth, so that's what I'm recommending. I'm just gonna pour all the liquid inside this plastic bottle right here. I got this from Michael's, the same place I actually got the cheesecloth. Got them both for $3, like, and all together it was very cheap. And yeah, pour it all in there and then you're good to go. Alright folks, we are back and we have the aloe vera gel right here. Now, one thing you could have added that I did not was lemon juice. Lemon juice has these enzymes in it that repairs dead skin cells in the scalp, and it would have left you with better results, but for the sake of the consistency that I wanted it to be a little bit thicker, just so I have a little bit more slip than if I was to add the lemon juice. If I had another aloe vera plant, I probably would have added lemon juice, but the lemon juice would have probably thinned this out and I would have left with a little bit less slip. And because as of now, my hair is not detangled, I'm going to need all the slip I can get right now. So I'm going to quickly section my hair in 4 parts and just get this started. Put it all throughout my hair. I am going to re-wet my hair because there's no way I'm going to detangle my hair right now while it's dry. Just not going to happen. So yeah, let's get started. Alright friends, so we just finished up making sure the aloe vera is all throughout our hair. We have a little bit more, so what I'm about to do is go ahead and just put it in my scalp, just rub it in more. You can't have too much of it. And plus, it's not enough to use for anything else, so I might as well just finish it out right now. After I put the rest of this in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and put a bag on my head.
You ugly!
I'm gonna go ahead and put a bag on my head and just chill for a bit. I'll probably leave this in there for about a good hour. Yeah, I'll probably leave it here for a good hour, and then after that, I will come back. Before I wash it out, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna take it out in front of you, and then I'm gonna go wash it out, and then we can see the results. So, yeah. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour since I had my hair wrapped up inside of a bag. I took the bag off already because I looked absolutely ridiculous. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out in front of you before I wash it out. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Still wet, completely out. My hair feels incredibly soft. So that's a good sign. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and wash it out and I'll be right back. My hair is now completely dry and I absolutely love the result. My hair is completely defined, super shiny, and it's soft. It's no crunch at all. That's what I love the most, honestly. It's super airy. It's like really light right now and it's super defined. I definitely recommend giving it a try. Add in your own add-ons, you know, just do your own research of what you can add on, what you shouldn't be adding on, and things like that. You're definitely going to see aloe vera a lot more on my channel because I'm going to get a little bit more in depth with my creations, also with the skincare. That's going to wrap up today's video. Please leave comments. Let me know what I should add and what I shouldn't add to my next hair gel that I do with aloe vera. Let me know what you put in your own aloe vera gels if you already do it by yourself. So with that being said, you know what to do. Please follow me on all my social medias. That is Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. They're all Gio Filipino Hair. Also, please hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell button to get notified anytime I do post. And with that being said, stay wavy, and I'll see y'all next time. Yeah. Yeah. Helps with hair growth. Oh, damn it. It promotes hair growth with. Yeah. Helps with the moisture in the hair. And also, what's the last thing I was looking for? How it can help our hair that's more healthier, more soft hair, and super moisturized hair.